Hey guys, as you know, most of you are coming to the office 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4 times a week, depending on your condition. So we want to give you guys the tools to get the most out of your care, because you know that the visits here are only about 5, 10, maybe 20 minutes long. So this series is going to give you the isolated exercises that we want you to be doing to get the most out of your care. So you can check out future videos like this cervical spine exercise or the thoracic spine exercise, depending on what it is you need. Also, if you have any exercises that you want explained or stretches that you want explained, don't forget to comment below. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified on future exercises. The first exercise is the knee to chest stretch. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Slowly bring one knee to your chest and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Then switch legs and hold again for 15 to 30 seconds. The second stretch is called the cat-cow stretch. Start on your hands and knees with your back flat. Slowly arch your back up towards the ceiling while tucking your chin into your chest. This is called the cat pose. Then slowly lower your back down while lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. This is called the cow pose. Repeat this movement slowly for 10 to 15 reps. The third and final stretch is the piriformis stretch. Sit on the floor with both legs extended in front of you. Cross one leg over the other and place your foot on the opposite knee. Slowly lean forward until you feel a stretch in your glutes and lower back. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. An alternate way to do piriformis stretch is to lie on your back, cross one leg over the other one, bring your leg up, the one that's straight, grab the back of your thigh and pull gently for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch legs.